Hey fam, now the much awaited INFINIX Note 40 Pro full review is finally here. Our good friends at INFINIX were kind enough to send us this package, so let's unbox it together. Now off the box, the phone comes in a beautiful Titan gold color that gives it an exquisite chromic look. Of course, the phone comes with a free phone case and a free screen protector with a manual on how to install it. The phone also has a 6.78-inch curved screen with 120Hz refresh rate that gives it a sharp, vibrant feel when playing games or watching movies, powered also by the JBL speakers that offers an immersive feeling. On optics, it offers an impressive 108 megapixel rear and 32 megapixel front-facing camera that takes vivid pictures. It also supports wireless and reverse wireless charging through its magpad that attaches itself magnetically to the case. It also comes with a 70-watt fast charging adapter, a USB-C cable, and unlike other phones, an earpiece. It also has an on-screen fingerprint for security, and for storage comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Combined with its 3 years of security updates and 2 major Android updates, I honestly don't think you can find a better phone than this in its price range. But go ahead and tell me what you think about it in the comment section.